Welcome to this YouTube channel Learn Quick. I am Sharif here to explain you a problem on hypercycloid curves. Let's read the question. Draw an hypercycloid of circle of diameter 40 mm generated by point P on its circumference when it rolls inside a directing circle of 140 mm diameter for one complete revolution. Let's assume a directing circle and then assume a rolling circle. Okay, the diameter of the directing circle is given as 140 mm and the radius of this directing circle is 70 mm and the diameter of this rolling circle is given as 40 mm. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to keep this rolling circle and then we have to note the point P. Okay, so and then we have to make this circle to rotate anti-clockwise direction inside this circle. Okay, so for one complete revolution without skidding. Okay, so for one complete revolution, what is the path traced by the point P? Okay, so that's what we are going to do. So if you trace the path, that will be your hypercycloid curve. So let's see how to do it. So before we start drawing it, so we need to do a small calculation. Okay, so there is a length of the directing circle radius. Okay, so this is given as 70 mm. Okay, so and the rolling circle is going to roll inside. Okay, so from here I am going to take inside value and this distance is your diameter of the rolling circle and it is your 40 mm. Okay, so this is the radius of the directing circle and inside the directing circle, so the rolling circle will be present and it is for 40 mm. Okay, so and this rolling circle is going to roll for one complete revolution. Okay, it's going to roll for one complete revolution. Okay, so from here to here is going to roll. So what is the angle created by this sector? Okay, to find that I have a formula theta small r divided by capital R into 360 degree. So the small r is the radius of the rolling circle, which is 20, and the capital R is the radius of the directing circle, which is 70 into 360 degree. Okay, so if we calculate this theta value, so we will get 20 by 70 into 360 is nothing but 102.85. So 102.85 degree. And this circle I am going to divide it into 12 equal parts to create the arbitrary points. Similarly, this sector I will be dividing into 12 equal parts. Okay, so if I need to divide this into 12, so I will get 8.57. So theta is 8.57 degree. Okay, so let's start drawing the hypercycloid curve. So take a point and then draw a line for 70. Draw a line for 70 and mark 40 mm for the rolling circle and its center. Okay, so now with the help of your compass, so measure the radius and then draw the rolling circle in this line. So now we need to divide this circle into 12 equal parts. I will get help of my engineering template to divide this into 12 equal parts. So if I need to divide this into 12 equal parts, I need to take 30 degree each. 30, 60, 90, 120, 150 and 180. Okay, so now I divide this circle to 12 equal parts. So this is just a constructional steps to create the arbitrary points. Okay, so now we need to draw a line here at an angle of 102 degree. Okay, so I will place the angle here. (102°) and draw a line for the same length of 70. Now with the help of compass, we are going to make the locus of all the points. So before drawing the locus, we will name these points. So we will name this as, we'll start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. Okay, so this point is our capital P. So this is a rolling point which you're going to trace. Okay, so now with the help of compass, I'm going to make the locus of point P. Locus of 12, and now I'm going to make the locus of 11 and 1. Locus of 11 and 1, locus of 10 and 2, next locus of 9 and 3, next locus of 8 and 4, next locus of 7 and 5, next locus of 6. So let's divide this circle into 12 equal parts. So before making 12 parts, I will make it half to minimize the error. So half of 102 is 51.4. So and then we will make one more division into half, so which will result 25.7. So I am doing this to minimize the error in division. So now we will mark 8.5. 12 times we will mark 8.5. So 8.5 and then 17. Again 8.5, 17, 8.5, 17, 8.5, 17. Okay, so now we will draw the lines. Okay, so now we will create a locus for the center with the help of a compass. So and then mark all the points of center as C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, C10, C11 and then C12. So similarly mark all the points in the base circle: 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash and then 12 dash. Now with the help of compass, measure the radius of the rolling circle, and from C1 cut an arc on the locus of 1. So from C2 cut an arc on locus of 2. From C3 cut an arc on locus of 3. From C4 cut an locus on arc 4. So from C5 cut an arc on locus 5. So from C6, cut an arc on locus 6, so which will meet exactly on the tip. So from C7, cut an arc on locus of 7. So from C8, cut an arc on locus of 8. So from C9, cut an arc on locus of 9. So from C10, cut an arc on locus of 10. So from C11, cut an arc on locus of 11 and then 12. Okay. So because of an error, so few points will miss out. So now we will join the points. So here we will have P1, P2. So here I have P3. Then here I have P4. Here P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, and here I have P11 and finally P12. So now we will draw the hypercycloid curve with the help of a HB pencil. So we will start from the P, then we will join P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10 and P12. Now let's draw the tangent and normal for this curve. So we will assume a point in the curve as M. Okay. Now take the radius of the rolling circle. So from the assumed point, so cut the center and mark this point as E. So now join the center of the directing circle E and then extend this line to the locus of P. Now mark this point as N and with the help of your HB pencil draw the normal line to the assumed point. N. Now to this line draw a 90-degree line, perpendicular line to get your tangent. T. Now let's dimension this rolling circle. We will also dimension this angle subtended. So we will use the help of the engineering template to draw the arrowheads. The diameter is 40 and the angle subtended is 102 degree. In case if you like the video, press like button, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.